Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah and you are watching the Code with Programmer channel. So in this tutorial we are going to connect our application with the Firebase, which is a real-time database. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel and have not subscribed my channel yet, then go ahead and help me to grow this channel by simply clicking the subscribe button. That will work for me. So let's start the video without wasting any further time. So firstly, open the Android Studio and check whether you are logged into Google account or not. So click in the right upper corner. If you are not logged in, then click sign in, then log in it, then click your Gmail account. I am clicking my Gmail account for login. So click allow. So after allowing, so now you are logged into your Google account. So if you can see here that my logo and my Gmail is showing here, so I am logging in. So what you can do now is click here, add a new tab and open Firebase. So from here select Firebase Console, then create a new project, add whatever you want to add your project name. Then continue again, select default and then create a project. So wait for some time, it is creating your project. It is taking too long. So now it is created, so continue. This is a dashboard of the Firebase. So from here you have to select from these options iOS, web and Android. So our is Android, so we have to click to Android, then add your package name. So for this package name you have to go to Android Studio, then open the manifest file, then from here copy this package name and add it to this field, then nickname, then register app. So download the Google services.json file, then press next, leave it, then add next, then continue console. So we have downloaded this Google services.json file, add it into the Android Studio, into the app folder. So refactor, overwrite, so it is added to this. So for checking that it is added into the right place, go to projects, then from here close all these tabs, you can see open app only. You can see that Google services.json is added to the right place in the app. So now Firebase uses some dependencies to allow data to be retrieved or add or whatever operations to be performed. So for this we have to add dependencies. So open the Android and from here build.gradle. So we have not added any dependency related to Firebase so far. If you go here on Google, you can copy from there to add into the Android Studio. Or second option is this, that go to tools and from tools select Firebase, and from here select real time, get started with real time database, Then add a real-time database SDK to your app. So click this. It will add automatically your class path and implementation to the build or Gradle file. So accept changes. So press back, and what we have to do is authentication. Add this also, authenticating user Google. So accept changes. You can add also this. You can add anything, any dependency, type of dependency from here. So I'm adding only 2, closing it. So you have to wait for some time. So you can see that we have get this Firebase Auth and Firebase database dependencies. So by using Firebase Auth we can sign in the user, and by adding Firebase database we can access the data from the Firebase. So sync now. So if you go here and check tools, Firebase, and real-time database, you can check that connect your app to Firebase is connected. So this means that this whole application is now connected with your Firebase. So now you can sign in, log in, or retrieve data from the Firebase. So this is a dashboard of the Firebase. From here you have varieties of options. You can go to setting, project setting. So all the detail of your project is here. If you want to add SHA certificate, fingerprint, then you can add here. So go to build, and from here there is a real-time database option. Click in it. So create database. I'm setting next, add the test mode. So it will create your database in a test mode. So this is your real-time database. You can create nodes here and add your data. So you can see that there is an option of rules here. So these rules shows what? This rule is showing that you can see read. This means that everyone is allowed to read from this database, and write means that everyone is allowed to write. So if you want to change this, then add false. So no one can write in the database. So if you can add false to the read, then it is also saying that no one can read no one can read the data from the Firebase. If you set true, then this means everyone can read the data. So if you want to log in using an email, so we have added dependency, but dependency is not enough. We have to go to this option authentication. So in authentication we have to say get started. So there are different type of options through which we can log in our user. So if we are using email, then we have to enable this option email. If we are try to log in using phone number, then we have to enable the phone number option. Otherwise we are not able to log in using the email or whatever. So in this option, in this users box, you can check all the emails who have logged in. So this is it. Hope you get all the points clearly, and now you can connect your Firebase with your application. So in the next tutorial we are going to log in the user and register our user using this Firebase account.